Okay, hello everyone. Okay, today we start a new lesson. It's level 12. So study is unit 15. Is healthcare in Cambodia 3. So in here we have 7 unit to finish healthcare in Cambodia, right? Just start 3. So in our review on page 46, we will study about hospital in Phnom Penh and also National Tuberculosis Institute at the time, right? After Pol Pot regime. Okay, so before we start, let's go to our vocabulary first. The first one is traumas. It's the mean emotional shock following a stressful event or physical injury. We can say injury, hurt, harm, upset, or disturbance, something that made you very afraid, make you extremely afraid. So what's in it, man? That one? Or thought, right? Trauma. Okay. Example here, the event is relieved with all the company trauma. Right? Trauma. Okay. Another word is orthopedic. It's related to brand of medicine dealing with the correction of deformity of bone or muscle. You can say related to your body, right? When you want to change something in your body, just like you want to replace your missing arm or whatever. In Khmer, what does it mean? What? Yeah, it's like that. And you want to sometimes you want to change from a man to a woman, right? Nowadays it's verb for the doctor. Example here, my advice is to see the orthopedic food specialist. Can the word is assist verb, then the second help. Help someone typically by doing a share or a verb. We can say help or support. When you assist someone, you help someone to do their favor in Khmer. Yeah, true, right? Example here, their present would assist in keeping the peace. And the word is generator, dynamo, or similar machine for converting magical energy into electricity. We can say a machine that generates the electricity, right? In Khmer. Yeah, very good. We use a lot, right? In the province, not in Phnom Penh. In the city now is a lot of it full of electricity. Example here, the station is using a generator to provide electricity. And the word is the office word is intravenous. Is existing or taking place within or administered into or when or veins. We can say your skin, right? Your skin have the line of the intravenous when you inject. So what does it mean, right? Yeah, just to side, right? We have some we don't see it, but we have all. Right? This is human being. You have intravenous. Example, in some cases, breathing via intravenous dip may be necessary. Okay, suture is a stick or roll or stick holding together the edge of a wound or surgical incision. You can say when you have a wound, right? So you have to suture the action of the process of suture to make it stick all together. In Khmer. Yeah, about the word you can say they check một book, right? When you have a wound, right? Okay, so example here, so these are removed on the 5th to 7th day after the operation. Sewer and underground conduit for carrying out drainage water or waste matter. We can say drainage pipes, right? The pipes underground of your house. It comes from the toilet or the bathroom that you flow it. So in Khmer, what does it mean? Loo. Yeah, very good. Loo. Yeah. In some country, their sewage is dirty, but some country their sewage is very clear, like Japan, right? A lot of fish can live in there. You see, it's not mean that sewage is the dirty water all the time. Okay, example here, and infrastructure of sewer and clean water are vital. Another word is a pandemic. Noun, a widespread occurrence of an infectious disease in the community or particular time. You can say outbreak or plague, just like the COVID-19, right? It's the epidemic disease around the world. So what does it mean, man? It's spread. What? We have determined, right? It's spread around the world. Example in recent week, an epidemic of measles broke out. Okay, another word is 9 word is compliance. The state of fact or according with or meeting rule or standard. We can say confirmation or confirmation when you have an agreement, official agreement with someone or some in the group you have an agreement. In Khmer, what does it mean? You accept what the issue is about. Yeah, very good. Example here, all impact of timber are in compliant with regulation. The last one is internal. It's lasting or existing forever without end. We can say indefinite or timeless. Just like it lasts forever. It's never stop. Just like the circle of the life, right? Burn, old and die. It's in circle. So what does it mean? Yeah, you might think of pot, right? You can say limitless. Example here, they claim to have found the answer to eternal youth. Okay, so let's go to our summary. I will make it. You can open your book and we can see all together. For the first one is hospital in Phnom Penh. So what is hospital in Phnom Penh look like? Okay, you can see it's a little, but I make it speak more. Hospital in Phnom Penh are designed based on specialty, right? Okay, specialty at the time. April 17, hospital is the for surgical case. So in that time have only April 17, you will know, right? In 1990, the hospital has 400 beds and considered as the largest surgical center in Cambodia during that time. So have 400 beds at 17 April hospital that is very big at that time. In 1990, right, that time after popularity. There are some problems with the medical care during that period, which are, okay, some problem limit. Power and electricity failure occur frequently. Only very basic services are available, such as oxygen and intravenous medication. So we have electricity and oxygen and intravenous medication. In 1979, the hospital didn't have enough blood for patients. They received 1 liter per day for the national blood, but they need 4 liters per day. But now more than that, right? They need only 4 liters per day, but they get only 1 liter. Therefore, the blood was donated by patient family, so no one have a blood to donate at that time. Really have. Another problem was the hospital that specialized in eye didn't have enough equipment for surgery. So I now in Dome hospital, but at that time we don't have enough equipment. Due to lack of maintenance and destruction of water system, sewer water and clean water mix, risking outbreak of major epidemic. So epidemic, the spreading of the disease have a lot because we don't have a clear water, right? Just dirty water. Okay, another one is National Tuberculosis Institute. The National Tuberculosis Institute is one of the several institutes under the Ministry of Health. So Ministry of Health cover all, right? All of the institute that are related to health. Cambodian doctor and other health care worker receive assistance from the French Red Cross. Okay, so this is our first one, right? French Red Cross. At that time, French help us because in the past we used to under colonize of French. Education is important part of the treatment. Okay, so very important because we have a little resource of human resource of the doctor or related farm. The success of program is evident by the fact that the patient cover their mouth when visit tour the institution. Okay, so that's all for today. And anything more you can ask me, right? Okay, for our healthcare in Cambodia. Thank you.